Yo, what's up? Quick video to show you my new V2L connector KIA from KIA that I just bought second hand but brand new from a EV6 owner. I'm gonna try to see if this connector works on my Ioniq 5 Creative. Okay, I just have to plug that. Gonna make hopefully a nice coffee. Right, blue light, turn on green light. Okay, let's see. Yes, let it warm up and have a nice coffee from our Ioniq 5. It's amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, pretty happy to find this on second hand. The Hyundai garage gave me a quote for 1900 for just for the connector, which is totally ridiculous. While you can find it online in Germany website for 380 euros. But even though it's not available, so it's out of order, out of sales. I forgot the name. Okay, allez, let's try. Yes, so the KIA connector works perfectly fine on the Ioniq 5. So guys, if you want one, you can't find the Ioniq 5 connector, you can go for the KIA one, no problem. Yes. Nice and hot. Beautiful. Tesla, go home. Can't do that with a Model Y, Model 3, whatever model.